The Karnataka BJP has now filed a complaint against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over his remarks on reservation in the US. Remember, Rahul Gandhi in the US had said that India can scrap reservation or think of scrapping reservation only when it's a fair place. Well, this as protests continue as well across cities. Let me go across to Dr. Pooja Tripathi of the Congress Party joining us. Dr. Tripathi, what the BJP seems to suggest is that the remarks are divisive. But in the larger context, don't you think that these are remarks that one can make here back home? But talking about whether our country is a fair meritocracy or a fair country on foreign land, do you think that's justified?
I don't think so. That there's nothing called that is pertaining to the domestic politics of the country. Whatever is happening here is for the world to see. We do participate in. We do have an interest in the Trump versus Harris debates, and so when Rahul Gandhi, as a leader of opposition, was talking about, he was talking about a fair play. He was talking about a society where everyone has a fair share of equal opportunity, and it's very funny. It's very funny to the point of being sad that the BJP is playing to the book of it. The Rahul Gandhi is the only leader in the country who is from the day one advocating for the caste-based census, and BJP has not said a word on it. Rahul Gandhi has talked about removing the capping on reservation. We have seen the whole pre-Lok Sabha polls, their narrative about how 400 Par will change the constitution and things like that. And now they want to, project themselves as somebody who are the protectors of constitution, who are the protectors of reservation. And this is funny and this is sad at the same level. This is playing politics by fire, and nobody can accuse Rahul Gandhi of saying anything about anti-reservation. They just don't have any issues to go by for attacking him, and that's
all right. So the point you're making essentially as a party is that this is not anti-reservation, this is not divisive, something that the BJP has said, so that political face-off continues.